Jeep sales have dropped nearly 30% since 2018, reflecting a troubling disconnect between the brand and its dedicated fanbase. This decline signifies more than just numbers, it marks a significant erosion of consumer trust. Moreover, inventory issues add to Jeep's challenges, with 77 days of unsold vehicles sitting idle on dealership lots. This surplus reveals a significant misalignment between production levels and actual consumer demand. Financial projections for Stellantis have been revised downward, shifting expectations from robust double-digit profit margins to a modest range of 5.5% to 7%. This change underscores the severe hurdles facing the North American market. Dealers are grappling with escalating floor plan costs and an abundance of unsold inventory, resulting in substantial financial strain and heightened bankruptcy risks. For many hard-working dealers, this situation is nothing short of heartbreaking. The emotional strain on dealers is exacerbated by feelings of abandonment from manufacturers, pushing them to desperation as they resort to drastic price slashes to survive. This creates a profound sense of personal loss among loyal customers. The economic downturn has precipitated significant layoffs at Stellantis, directly affecting its workforce and local economies. This situation emphasizes the critical interconnectedness of businesses and their surrounding communities. In response to corporate layoffs, United Auto Workers President Shawn Fain has been outspoken, stressing that companies must prioritize their workforce in financial decision-making. His position sheds light on the growing disparity between executive compensation and worker job security. The union's grassroots initiatives strive to unite members in solidarity, organizing demonstrations to bolster morale and amplify their collective voice against corporate challenges. This sense of unity remains vital in confronting corporate greed. Furthermore, the UAW strategy involves forging partnerships with local communities and engaging in legislative advocacy, fortifying their efforts for workers' rights and job security amid a transforming industry landscape. The stakes for job stability are exceptionally high in today's evolving market. The merger that formed Stellantis has enacted considerable strategic shifts, yet not all brands within its portfolio are thriving, with Jeep particularly facing difficulties. These challenges arise largely from a drift away from its adventurous heritage. Jeep's attempt to penetrate the luxury segment is often perceived as a miscalculation. Its appeal traditionally lies in rugged reliability rather than upscale features. Historical precedents illustrate that even prominent brands encounter setbacks in the luxury market. The ongoing turnover in Jeep's executive ranks indicates internal instability, further complicating the brand's strategic direction. This uncertainty negatively impacts employee morale and stakeholder confidence, especially in light of competitive pressures from rivals like Ford. Introducing electric or hybrid models that maintain Jeep's renowned off-road capabilities could appeal to environmentally conscious consumers and tap into the rising demand for sustainability. This strategy aligns well with evolving consumer preferences. Incorporating advanced technology into Jeep vehicles not only enhances the driving experience but also makes them more attractive to both new and existing customers. Features like sophisticated safety systems and comprehensive infotainment are becoming increasingly crucial. Fostering a sense of community among Jeep enthusiasts through events and social media engagement can strengthen brand loyalty and create a feeling of belonging among customers. This strategy has the potential to drive sales and excitement. The interior of the TRX is crafted for luxury, boasting custom stitching and high-quality materials that elevate both aesthetics and comfort. It truly delivers a unique and special experience inside. Advanced technology in the TRX includes a premium sound system and a digital rearview mirror, ensuring that every drive is modern and immersive. It's reminiscent of the futuristic experiences seen in sci-fi films. Finally, the TRX's performance is outstanding, expertly navigating diverse terrains thanks to its sophisticated suspension system. This capability makes it an ideal companion for off-road adventures.